In this video, you'll learn how to change payment methods on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to modify your payment options within your Binance account effortlessly. First, begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that includes various account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile Settings. This action will direct you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. Look for the Payment Methods section within the Settings menu. Clicking on this section will display all the saved payment options currently associated with your account. After accessing the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of your existing payment methods. To change one, select the method you wish to modify. You will notice options to either enter or delete next to each payment method. If you want to make changes, click on Edit. This will prompt you to enter the updated information for that payment method. Once you've entered the new details, review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. It is crucial to double check the information before proceeding. After verifying the details, look for the Save Changes button and click it to apply your modifications. Following this, you may be required to complete a security verification process to confirm your identity. This step is essential for maintaining the security of your account. Wait for a confirmation notice to appear on the screen, indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. To ensure that the changes are applied correctly, consider testing the new payment method with a small transaction. This will help confirm that everything is functioning as intended.